Let me tell you a hard truth about Amazon self-publishing. Most people don't fail because they write bad books. They fail because they treat publishing like a lottery ticket. They upload a book, they wait, and they hope. Hope is not a strategy. I've been in this market for years. I've published books myself. I've worked with thousands of publishers. And I can tell you this very clearly. Amazon KDP is not about writing. It's about building a system. A system that controls three things: visibility, consistency, and scale. Here's where most publishers get it wrong. They think, if the book is good, Amazon will reward me. It won't. Amazon doesn't reward quality. Amazon rewards signals, traffic, conversions, sales velocity. If your book doesn't receive traffic, it doesn't exist. And organic traffic alone is not enough anymore. That's why Amazon ads are not optional if you want to scale. They're not a growth hack. They're infrastructure. Used correctly, ads do three things. They give you immediate visibility. They generate data. They allow you to scale what already works. The mistake most people make is managing ads manually. They stare at dashboards. They tweak bids emotionally. They turn ads on and off without a system. That's not advertising, that's gambling. Real publishers automate what can be automated so they can focus on what actually moves the business forward. Topics, positioning, and portfolio expansion. That's exactly why we built AutomateDS. Not as another tool, but as an operating layer on top of Amazon ads. A system designed specifically for book publishers. Not agencies, not brands, not FBA sellers, publishers. AutomateDS removes daily micromanagement, applies structured rules, and turns advertising into a repeatable process instead of a daily headache. Because the goal is not to run ads. The goal is to build predictable royalties. If you're serious about self-publishing as a business, start thinking like an operator, not like an author. Build systems, control demand, scale intentionally. If you want to see how this works in practice, you'll find the link below. I'll see you in the next video.